Hi everyone, I'm Gifta. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how search engines figure out which documents are most relevant to a query using something called the inner product. Think of it this way. Both your query and the documents are represented as vectors, list of numbers to measure similarity. We calculate the dot product between the query vector and each document vector. The bigger the number, the closer the match. In our example, the query vector is q is equal to 2103, and we have three documents, that is d1 is equal to 1002, d2 is equal to 2110, d3 is equal to 0104. We wrote a simple Python program using NumPy to compute these dot products. The code defines the vectors, uses np dot dot to calculate the inner products, and then finds which document has the highest score. When we run it, the results are q dot d1 is equal to 8, q dot d2 is equal to 5, q dot d3 is equal to 7. So the most relevant document is d1 because it has the highest inner product. What does this mean? A large inner product shows stronger similarity, more matching terms, and better alignment with this query. That's why search engines and recommendation systems often use this method. It's fast, simple, and effective. And that's it. With just a few lines of Python, we've simulated how search engines rank documents. If you enjoyed this quick explainer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.